In summer, the temperature is high. There are many equipment in the auto parts workshop, and the operation of the equipment constantly releases heat. The selection of cooling equipment in the workshop should not only consider the effect of cooling and ventilation, but also consider the issue of operating costs. Vanse Industrial Large Ceiling Fan. A large diameter of 7.3 meter, 20 kilometers, coverage radius 1,500 square meters, effective area. In the tall workshop, the large industrial ceiling fan is a good choice as a cooling 1.5 kilowatt hour, 0.8 kilowatt per hour electricity per hour, low energy and power saving. All round, three-dimensional circulating air without dead ends can effectively help the human body to cool down by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius, promote the cooling and ventilation effect. Vanse industrial ceiling fans are suitable for various harsh environments and free maintenance.